What is up, podheads? Did you ever wonder what all these switches and knobs and dials and stuff on your amplifier do? Good, because I'm going to show you. Let's go. So this is a fairly standard 4-channel amplifier. It's got inputs for 1 and 2, inputs for 3 and 4, and then crossover controls and gain controls for inputs 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There is a crossover, or there's a switch here for the crossover that'll allow you to select between full range, low pass, and high pass. And then the dials down below there allow you to control the frequency at which the high pass and low pass are applied. One thing to note about this amplifier in particular is the locations of the outputs compared to the inputs. This amplifier has channels 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 in a different orientation, so please keep that in mind and pay attention to that when you're wiring up your amplifier. This switch right here controls the different types of filters. Right now we're in full range, and if I switch it over to low pass filter, what that's going to do is adjust and remove any frequencies that are above the set point. What's interesting about this one, please note, is that once I switch it over to the low pass filter, it automatically applies a 2000 hertz low pass filter. But by adjusting this dial, I can drop that filter down. Now if I switch it over to a high pass filter, what this does is it's going to adjust and remove any of the frequencies below that set point. One thing this amplifier does not do is give you the ability to control both the high pass and the low pass at the same time. So when using the crossovers in your amplifier, it's important to note the slope at which those crossovers are applied. This is the slope of that amplifier's crossover compared to a slope I set with a DSP. Notice that the DSP has a much steeper slope, and what that means is it's going to cut the frequencies off a lot sharper than the amplifier has the capability of doing. That's another reason a DSP may be a better way for you. And that about sums it up. Now you know what those knobs and dials and switches on your amplifier mean. Put them to good use. I hope you learned something. I'm Brandon from CustomSpeakerPods.com. Peace.